So hey guys, it's KB here and you are watching KB Editing Zone. So today in this video we are going to create a status in Kinemaster using the stripe effect, blur and lick light. So without any delay, let's get started. So open your Kinemaster application and now create a new project. So choose 9:16 ratio. So after that go to the image option and add a black background. So now let's make the screen big. So after that go to the layer option and text option and add a text layer. So you have to add the lyrics here. So after that go to the font option and choose the font. So I am choosing the Mary script font. So now align these lyrics in the bottom. So after that you can adjust the size. So then go to the text option and line. So you have to decrease the line spacing. So after that align this in the center. So now go to the capture option and capture and save these lyrics. So now select the text layer and edit this text layer. So now add another lyrics here. So now go to the capture option and capture and save. So in this way you have to create all the lyrics. So after that you can delete everything. And now go to the media option and add all the captured lyrics. So now let's add the music. So go to the layer option and media. So I'm extracting the audio from the video. So select the video. Now scroll down and find the extract audio option. So you can delete the video now. So now let's add animation to our lyrics. So we'll add transition. So go to the plus option and you can add the transition. So you can use speed blur transition. Or you can also use this light blur transition. So I will use light blur transition for now. So add the transition you want. So now you can choose the speed for your transition. So I will keep in between 0.5 to 1. So now similarly add transition to others. So go to the plus option and choose the light blur transition and add your transition. So now let's download this transition. So go to the store option and you can find the action section. So go to that and you scroll down. So you can find the light blur transition. So install this. So let's go back. So you can go to the wipe section and you can find the speed blur transition here. So you can also use this. So similarly you can add transition to others. So now I will skip this part. So now listen to the song and adjust the lyrics according to the song. So you can decrease the length of this image to match according to the lyrics. So I will play the music and adjust it properly. So similarly you can adjust all the lyrics parts. So now I will skip this process so you can do it yourself. So after that I will cut off the extra part. So now let's go to the starting and go to the layer option and go to the handwriting option. So choose the color that you want. Now choose this square shape. So after that you can draw the shape like this. Let's decrease its length. So now you can expand the timeline. So I will keep the length of about 2 seconds. So now rotate the shape like this. So let's increase the size. So after that, go to the key animation and at about 1.5 second add another key. So now bring this shape to down. So after that, select the shape and scroll down and find the blending option. Now choose the blending option to multiply. So after that, you can create a duplicate of it and add it in other lyrics. So you have to add after the transition is over, so otherwise shape will be seen. So now create a duplicate and add it into others. You can also decrease the length of the shape if you want. So select the shape and decrease the length according to your need. So similarly add it to others. So I have added to all. So now let's export this video. So after exporting, let's go back and create a new project now. So now choose 9:16 ratio. So after that, you can add the background. So now let's fit this background properly. So go to the pan and zoom option and zoom in the image. So now let's increase the length of this background. So I will make about 25 seconds. So now scroll down and enable this vignette option. So now let's add the exported video. So go to the layer option and media option and add the recently created media. So go to the split screen option and fit this to screen. Select the video and scroll down and you can find the blending option. So choose the blending option to screen. So now our video is ready. So let's see the preview. So now let's add the video fade out. So go to the setting option and go to the video option. So after that, you can enable the video fade out and you can choose the duration to 1 second. So now our video is ready. So in this way, you can easily create amazing status like Alightmotion in Kinemaster. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also check the playlist on the right for more status related tutorials. So thank you for watching.